Hello world, welcome to Python training, and in this video we are going to discuss about print using percent operator. So using percent operator we define Python's format specifier. So these are the format specifiers that you can see on your screen. So %d represent int, %f or %f uppercase represent float, %s represent string, %c represent single character, %o octal, %lowercase x or uppercase x both represent hexadecimal, %e in lowercase as well as in uppercase represent exponential, %g in lowercase as well as in uppercase represents journal, and only percent symbol is the interface between the format specifier and their values. Now what does it mean? Let me go to the PyCharm and start explaining you one by one. We are looking for the print function with percent value. So I'll write something like this is %d, %2. If we look closely to this print statement, %d represent int value, and this particular percent is the interface between format specifier and their value. What does it mean is that, so whatever we are writing after this particular percent symbol will basically represent format specifier that we have mentioned within the string value. So if I'll run this program, it will print this is 2. I can write this is equal to 2.0 as well, or let me write it down as 2.3. When I'll run it, it will still print 2 and it will discard the value after the point. Now generally we are writing the values in bracket after this particular percent symbol in bracket, or without bracket also we can write. So if I run this program, it will still print me this is 2. What happens if I'll try to make this as a string value? If I'll run this program, it will throw me type error saying that %d format a number is required, not str. And if I'll give boolean value here, what happens? So the boolean value of true is equivalent to 1 in terms of integers. So it will print this is 1. See, it is printing this is 1. Let's take the example of float type. If I specify like this particular value will be replaced here and the output will be this is 2.3. By default, after point, float format specifier accept up to 6 digits. So if I'll write 2.323, so it will write 2.323 and remaining 3 digits it will replace by 0. So the output will be this is 2.323 0 0 and 0. Let's see it. So this is about %f. I can replace %f with uppercase f as well, and if I'll run the program, it will still print the same output. Now let's see what happens if I will just put the integer value. So it will by default add point and then 6 zeros after that. You see that? Even if you are providing the int value, it is by default adding the point itself and then 6 zeros after that point. Again, value after the % sign you can put in bracket as well, or without bracket it will still print the same output. Now let me explain one more interesting concept using %f. Let me make it as small f. 10.4f. What does it print? So the number after the point represent the significant figure after point. 4 represent it should take 4 digits after point, and 10 represent the total digits that needs to be printed in the out, and the remaining digits will be padded with a space left hand side. Okay, if you can see the output, it is taking up to 4 significant digits and rounding it off 3343. So the output contains 3343, and total digit it is representing is 10. Including the point and other numbers, the output should contain total of 10 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here 4 extra spaces were padded to the left hand side of the first digit, that is 2. So that's how this particular notation works. And instead of 33434, if I'll give 33439 and run this, instead of 3343 it is giving 3344. How come? So this particular 39, it will round off 39, it will round off to 40. That's why the output shows 3344 instead of 3343, because it is rounding off the last digit. This also works with boolean values. So let's say if I'll give as false, it will basically print 0 point and then 0 0 0 0 0, 6 zeros after decimal. Next format specifier is %s, which is string. So I can write it like this. This is high, or I can write down in the brackets also. Again, it will print the same value. Instead of double quotes, if I'll use single quotes, it will still print the same output. So this is about %s. %C represents single character. If I'll run this particular line, it will throw error because it says that %C requires int or char. This is string because it contains more than one character. If I'll make it as one character, it will print the output. This is H. You see that? And it also takes int value. So it is printing the ASCII equivalent value. Whatever is there, it will print that. You can refer the ASCII value table in order to get what value it will print when we'll give the int type. Now let me take one more format specifier. Let me take %E. So it prints the exponential notation. You can see that E is being printed in the output like this, and instead of lowercase e, if I will give uppercase E, the output will be same. It will print the uppercase E. Let's see that. So it is printing uppercase E. This is about the exponential format specifier. Next one is journal specifier. So journal basically represents the real number. So if I'll give this is %G and then I am writing 2, it will print this is 2. So real number can be negative also. So if I'll give -2, it will print this is -2. It will take point also. So the output will be -2.999. So I have noted down many examples for each of the format specifier. These are the examples which you are seeing on the screen. So I will copy paste these examples in the description section of this particular video. So you can go to the description of this video and you can copy these example and try it out on your local system. So this is about print statement using the % operator.